Anyway, guys, it's somebody Pisang Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. If there's one person who's living in her answered prayer this year in 2025, Utirelo, guys, I don't think Utirelo knew or go to 2025 is going to be her year. 2025, it is Tirelo's breakthrough, guys. We all know that last year Utirelo Ugoile, as people have been dragging Utirelo like nobody's business ever since Uthando Nesithembu Izingane Zesithembu season 1, when Utirelo was introduced to us. Know that she didn't have so much fan base and people were always saying Utirelo, she's the wrong one. But this year things have changed. People are falling in love with Tirelo, guys. The brands are working with Tirelo every moment. With Tirelo, she's announcing something on her social media, guys. She's worked with more than 10 brands this year alone. So yesterday, guys, even on Saturday, people were surprised with Tirelo. She attended 3 events in one day. First location, second location, third location with a dark and live, and people thought that is enough. Yesterday, Utirelo made an announcement on Instagram and Facebook, and this is what she has to say. Tirelo influencer on the afternoon fix with Vim Tembo and Refile Motsi every weekday 15:45 on Juicy FM, guys. So Utirelo, she's now a radio presenter. A huge congratulations to Tirelo, guys. Honestly speaking, 2025 it was a year for Tirelo, guys. So let's get to for you. Person who is living in her answered prayer era, guys. Vuyokazi. So guys, we all know that Vuyokazi has been doing so well ever since last year after the drama. Yeah, she started her YouTube channel. She's been doing so well. So yesterday, Vuyokazi posted to show us what Cardi B reposted her picture. You can see it says Cardi B reposted it, guys. I think she didn't see because the pictures she posted, I think 3 weeks ago, while they were real, guys, she's living in her answered prayers also, guys. You know what, sometimes in life, when things are happening, bad things are happening, you will think that you will never overcome them. Trust me and believe, one day you're gonna sit there and say, you know what, I've made. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.